Unibadge America's freedom fighters. North Korea is feared to be infiltrating the US Army. A propaganda leaflets and CDS were discovered at multiple military bases. US Force Korea is warning service members on the peninsula to stay alert to potential insider threats after North Korean propaganda appeared on American base. The 8 Thermostat Army reported that propaganda leaflets were discovered at Seoul's Yongsan Garrison Thursday, shortly after a North Korean soldier defected across the heavily fortified border just north of the South Korean capital. In an alert posted later that day on USFK Facebook page, officials said a significant number of North Korean propaganda leaflets and CDS had been placed at strategic locations on multiple US military installations in South Korea. Given the number of foreign nationals with access to your military installation via employment, sponsorship and partnership programs, the potential for insider threats is always a reality, the alert said. It is essential for our personnel to report all propaganda and suspicious individuals to the appropriate authorities to help mitigate potential threats. Propaganda is used to persuade or influence people's attitude, beliefs and behavior, and those distributing it seek to disrupt operations and degrade readiness, the alert added. Washington keeps a garrison of soldiers and weapons constantly in South Korea, with whom they have a military alliance. US forces have been carrying out major drill in the region this year amid the growing nuclear crisis. North Korea has tested dozens of missiles this year and detonated its most powerful nuclear weapon ever. President Trump and Kim have been locked into a fiery war of words. Both threatened to destroy the other. North Korea's last missile test was on November 28, launching its most advanced weapon ever, the HWASONG-15. On Monday, the White House released on its US National Security Strategy that SID North Korea is pursuing chemical and biological weapons which could also be derived by missile. North Korea, a country that starves its own people, has spent hundreds of millions of dollars on nuclear, chemical, and biological weapons that could threaten our homeland, the document said. North Korea vehemently denies the report and accused the US of cooking up untraced truth and using biological weapons during the Korean War. Properly speaking, it is the US stereotyped method to cook up untraced truth, stubbornly insisting that black is white and fabricating anything for satisfying their aggressive greed, the state-run Korean Central News Agency stated. And the US itself is an empire of evils full of plot, fabrication, lie and deception. It added, it is none other than the US, chattering on morality and civilization, the criminal state that massacred the Korean people by bacteriological weapons during the Korean War and inflict suffering upon the innocent people by continuing even now to openly use the internationally prohibited weapons. North Korea is beginning tests on mounting anthrax intercontinental ballistic missiles that would strike the US, a report said on Wednesday, just 2 days after the White House's US National Security Strategy stated Kim Jong-un is pursuing chemical and biological weapons. Source 7. Robson, Star and STRIPES Right-Wing Tribune. Unibadge is a veteran who served our country en army combat medic. Together we will make America great again. Dean James 3% America's freedom fighters. Follow us on Facebook at Nation in Distress. Please like and share on Facebook and Twitter. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, subscribe to our newsletter.